Man, I feel very strange wearing white on camera. I actually just feel strange wearing white, period, because I don't wear white very often. I usually wear all black. So I just felt like with my eyes today that an all black outfit was not the way to go. So I put a white hoodie on. Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and today I am going to be sharing what I picked up from Sephora during the Sephora sale. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. All right, so I know the Sephora sale was like last month, but I only just got my stuff in. And that is because I ordered everything last minute because I am a last minute kind of person. If you would like to see me do a video where I try these products out for the first time, go ahead and comment that down below. But let's get started. I'm gonna start off with the brand Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is one of those brands that every product I've tried I've loved. A lot of my skincare is Glow Recipe, which is why one of these products is a repurchase, but two of them were actually new for me to try. So the repurchase is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. This is a mineral and chemical sunscreen, but it does have SPF 50, which is one of the reasons I really love this sunscreen. Now, this is what the product looks like. Now, this sunscreen also plays really nicely underneath makeup, and I've had issues in the past with sunscreens not playing well with makeup. And because I do use a lot of chemical exfoliants in my skincare, sunscreen is like really important for me to wear all the time. So that is why I repurchased it. But like the 50 SPF on there, man, it's hard to find a sunscreen for your face that's got a high SPF like that. Now, this one right here is something new for me to try. This is the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. I've complained about it before about my dark under eyes, and I figured it's time for me to do something about it and just stop complaining about it. And that's why I picked up this serum. I also already use the Guava Vitamin C like full face dark spot treatment, and I really enjoy that one, so I figured I would actually enjoy this one as well. Now, this last one from Glow Recipe, I'm a little anxious to try this one because this one has not had the best reviews. So when it first came out, I was super excited to pick it up. And now that I've seen more people talk about it, I'm not as excited as I originally was. But this is the Strawberry BHA Pore-Smooth Blur Drops. So this is a treatment and a primer combined in one. So this is what the packaging looks like. Now, I've seen a lot of people say it does nothing to their pores, but I've seen it being used different ways and getting different results. So I'm gonna try it where it's just like a primer. I'm gonna try it mixed in with my foundation because I did see somebody do that and get great results with it. And then I'm also gonna just try it and see if it's great for no makeup days, just to give like, you know, a little something to my skin without putting makeup all over it. Like I said, I'm a little bit worried to try it out because everybody has said such terrible things about this product, and I've never had a bad experience with Glow Recipe, and I'm not looking forward to having one. The next brand I picked up a couple things from is Kosas, and I believe this is actually the first time I ever trying anything from the brand Kosas. Like, I'm trying to think. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them before. So the first thing I got is, I mean, this one's not a revolutionary product, but it is their Air Brow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel with a lamination effect. I only use clear brow gel in my eyebrows because I use eyeshadow to fill them in. So, like, I can't use a tinted one. Now, this one, it's like super cute packaging, but I picked this up because this is the one my wife uses. She says it's really great. Honestly, with all the brow gels I've ever tried, they all look the same to me. But I'm currently using the Charlotte Tilbury one, and that one's more expensive than this one, so that's why I'm gonna give it a shot. The Charlotte Tilbury one is nothing special. It's just, I got it in a mystery box and I'm still using it. Now, this product I'm really interested in trying, and this is the Glow IV Vitamin Infused Skin Enhancer. And I picked this one up in the shade Radiate, which is a medium golden shade. So this is something that's similar to like putting underneath your foundation to give it a nice glow, kind of similar to like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter or maybe the E.L.F. Halo Glow. But this also has like skincare in it. So I'm very interested to see how this works, because this is also like, you can put it underneath your foundation, you can use it as a highlight, you can wear it without foundation, and I'm excited to try it. Now, one of my favorite brands to pick up products from is always Danessa Myricks. I'm just not a fan of the price point. So I did pick up 3 different items from Danessa Myricks. Now, one of these is an item that's been on my wish list since the holidays, and that is the Danessa Myricks Infinite Chrome Micropencil. So this is a chrome eyeliner. This is in the shade Emerald. It's gonna have like a green shift to it. I have a bunch of these in my wish list, but I only wanted to pick up one to see if I'd like it. And then I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Flushed Powders. So these are the blushes. So the first one I picked up is in the shade Golden Hour. Now this one's gonna be a bright orange. And then I also picked up the one in the shade Prima Donna. So this one's gonna be a really nice, vibrant pink. I love the Blurring Balm like primer product that Danessa Myricks came out with. That product is so hard to describe because it almost feels like the Tatcha Poreless Putty Primer or like the E.L.F one, but it's like a primer, but it has a tint to it. It is a very strange product, but I actually thoroughly enjoy mine. And this is supposed to have like that same consistency, so I'm really excited to try this. Now, the next product I picked up is a product from Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Rio Radiance Cream. So this is a limited edition scent. I believe the scent is also the same as a body spray that they came out with last summer that you can now pick up in this year's packaging, which is like this bright yellow and pink. I didn't pick up the body spray because I have it from last summer, but I really enjoy the scent of this one. This is definitely my second favorite scent when it comes to Sol de Janeiro products. But this is also supposed to have a really nice glow to it. So it has like a tint, and you can definitely see like the mica in this lotion. Gosh, it smells so good. I mentioned this next product on my wish list, so I went ahead and picked it up. And this is from Milk Makeup. This is the Pore Eclipse Matte Setting Spray right here. And I picked this up because I absolutely love Milk's Hydro Grip one. Now this one's supposed to be mattifying, and I actually use this on my face today, but I use the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Pore Filling Primer. I enjoy that primer, so I have high hopes for the setting spray. So this is what it looks like. Let me see. I'm gonna try it out right now. Gosh, that is a really fine mist. Okay. Like, I could barely feel it land on my face. I love it. Now, this product I'm giving in. And this is a very popular product right now. You got a lot of brands trying to dupe it, imitate it, you know, use a similar concept to come out with their own products. And that is the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. I actually do have the highlighting wands from Charlotte Tilbury. I also picked up the blushes before. I don't know why I'm giving Charlotte Tilbury another chance with these damn wands, but here I am. So I got this. I got this in the shade Fair Medium. And I was actually really surprised that these were in stock. These are always out of stock on Sephora's website. So I was very surprised to find out they were in stock during the Sephora sale, let alone on the last day of the Sephora sale. Now recently, well I say recently, this was like back in January, I tried out my first Makeup by Mario product, and that was the Surreal Skin Foundation, and I thoroughly enjoy that foundation. So I figured I would try something else from Makeup by Mario, and this is a product that other people say that is really great, so I'm excited to try it out, and that is the SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Perfector, and I got the shade Light Medium. Now unfortunately, mine didn't break in transit, but it kind of like, it's kind of messy. I'm still excited to try it though. I feel like some of these products are all over the place. I did not have an organization to this video, and I apologize. But this product is a product I picked up because Tati Westbrook said it was really good, and everything that I've tried that she's recommended, I have loved. So I got the Ulla Hendrickson Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick. Now this is in the shade Banana. Something else for my dark under eyes. But I'm hoping this also kind of works as a primer, but then also looks really nice on no makeup days. So it's just like a little stick for under your eyes, and I like Ole Hendrickson. I use a lot of Ole Hendrickson skincare as well. And I have a feeling I'll like this one too. I also have a couple Ole Hendrickson primers that from the Banana Bright line that I enjoy. Now, this is a backup product I purchased. I've been loving the Give by Gwen Stefani mascara. It's the Can't Stop Staring mascara, and it is a lengthening mascara. So this is the one that I'm actually currently using. I'm going to keep this one here in the box and put it in my backup drawer. I love using the Sephora Sale as an opportunity to buy products that I know that I will use and repurchase at 20% off. So that way when I'm like finished with the mascara or eyeliner or brow pencil, concealer, that way when it's done, I have one already and I bought it at a discount. This I love the Lawless plumping lip glosses. I have so many of those. I don't even know where they all are. I have them in purses, in my car, in the kitchen, just absolutely everywhere. And they recently came out with these tinted lip balms. So I went ahead and picked up the shade Lover. This was also a product that I talked about for my wish list, but I actually did not say this shade. I picked out a shade that was a little bit more, that was a little deeper. So I ended up picking up a more pink shade. And that is because it's summertime, and if I do love this product, then probably in the fall I'll pick up a deeper shade. Now this product is very interesting. This is the Iconic London Roll Away Glow Liquid Highlighter. Now I picked up the shade Champagne Chic, but it is very reminiscent of like those lip glosses that you could get when you were a kid in the 90s. So it's like a roller ball, but it is a really pretty shade. I really enjoy Iconic London's Illuminating drops to add to my primer. Now this is supposed to be less of a glow. It's supposed to be more of a glow within look than a blinding highlight look. Well, I just swatched it. That still looks pretty blinding to me, but it is a different shade than my Illuminating drop. So I'm excited to try something a little bit different. I do have this feeling though, that like if you roll it on your face, then like all the foundation that's on your face is gonna get in the highlighter, like the little ball in there. I don't know, we'll see. Whew. All right, so the last product. Now I have never, ever, ever purchased anything from Givenchy before. And this is another one of those products I saw Tati Westbrook using and loving. Now I got a different shade, but I have been looking for a new under eye powder, and I've mentioned it before. I've mentioned it for the last few months, and I finally got a new one. And this one is from Givenchy. It is the Prism Libre powder. But this is in the shade 3 Rosé. So this is the pink one. Tati Westbrook was using it to bake. I don't really bake, but I do powder my under eyes, and I like to have like that brightening effect. So I got this pink one. And I am intrigued. So I'm excited to use it and try it out. For the price of it, I really, really hope I like it. But the one that I'm currently using, I put that brand in timeout. You know, I'm not going to throw away the products I already have. I will continue to use them, but I'm not going to be purchasing anything new in the meantime. Alrighty, so that is my Sephora sale haul. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you picked up, and if you've tried anything I picked up, let me know your thoughts on those products because I'm very interested. But until next time, bye y'all.